Here are the 18 different stocks, ETFs that we have in the Roth IRA. Paid 18 times this month, August 2020. First one, General Mills, 49 cents. AT&T, $1.89. Campbell's Soup, 78 cents. General Mills again, 40 cents. AG&C, $1.08. Apple, 31 cents. Main Street Capital, 87 cents. Realty Income, 50 cents. Procter Gamble, 74. Mueller Water, 64. Prospect, 6 cents off a single share. Again, Prospect Capital, 15, 18 for the 200 and some shares that are in there. California Water, 50 cents. Shaw Communication, 50 cents. Gladstone, 81. SPHD, $12.77. Preferred ETF, 49 cents. LTC, 63 cents. For a grand total of, calculator go, $38.64 in 1 month, which means I will never have to pay my phone bill again. This makes more than my phone bill. I have $12,500 in there that I can't touch until I'm 55. Nothing I can do but sit here and watch and count it up every month. It took that $38 that we made this month, and it bought 6 buys, $31.64. It bought Bank of Hawaii. It bought California Water. It bought American Electric, Gladstone, which paid, General Electric, American State Water, American Electric Power. Utilities. Just buys them, which means next time my payment should be bigger. It's bought almost half a share that pays monthly. 43 different positions. Cost basis $12,291. Value $12,544. Unrealized gains 252, which is the capital gains increase. And that's all I can do. Now I just have to wait until September is over, add them all up, then wait for October. So far, earned dividends 321. Market gain 252. That's what we want. The cash flow. We want the money, not necessarily the market gain. It's nothing to complain about, but want the cash. And that's all I can do on this one. Till next time.
They said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. They ain't never had the dedication. People hate and say we changing, look, we